Hi, I'm Ian from Impact Off-Road, and behind me we have 3 Impact Kei quad trucks that we have modified specifically for each individual client. On my right hand side we have a Superlift. That's our 80mm extreme fit out and kit out that we do, but it also has a specialized farm fencing drive over kit to that added to it. In the middle here we have an orange one which has been black packed, but it also has a custom made flat deck on the back with plywood. It's slightly wider, it's slightly longer, so the client wanted that extra space and a little bit of extra strength with his flat deck. And as you can see, we've got the light bar on the front as well as an addition to the Dynamic SS3, which are standard on all 3 of our kit outs. To my left here we have our standard brand new truck, which is again a Daihatsu Hijet, and we've done our standard 23-inch 40mm lift kit on that, but this client wanted the black edition. So talk to us at Impact Off-Road. You've got Ian, you've got Ryan. Talk to us about your special needs and we can sort it out for you.